Recalling all your childhood schemes, playing wedding in the park with the girl of your dreams. Put a ring on her finger from the old Chuck E. Cheese in Pearl City. Didn't realize you both grew up. First you were falling on the asphalt, now you're falling in love. And you're tripping on your tongue cause she ain't cute like she was, now she's pretty. You think you're too late cause yesterday you got older, and her heart is sold to the boy next door, while you still love her 5 streets over. So you hold onto the day she'll look back and say you're gold. You don't know how you allowed yourself to hold. She dropped the ball and start free falling. You don't know. You should try to hold out and try to let her go. She might have said yes if she could see you in a tap. She would twirl in a dress, and you tell yourself you'd ask her to dance if she wasn't already. You hate the weight of wasted time on your shoulders. You love your friends, happy for them, but you still love her 5 streets over. So you hold onto the day she'll look back and say you're gold. You don't know how you allowed yourself to hold. She dropped the ball and start free falling. You don't know. You should try to hold out or try to let her go. She loves him, there must be some great reason. Wouldn't want to dare to hope that maybe she's just colored by the season. You didn't want to know that loving comes with hating. Wouldn't want to miss your shot, but don't want to miss the world while waiting. So you hold onto the day she'll look back and say you're gold. You don't know how you allowed yourself to hold. She dropped the ball and start free falling. You don't know. You should try to hold out or try to let it go.